Welcome to Edualam. This is fourth part for this particular chapter, chapter number 15, Economic Development. This is for class 10th GSEB. So in in 3 parts, we have already discussed so many things. Now we are coming to the edge of the chapter. So what we are going to discuss is method of allocation of resources. Resources क्या होते हैं, resources कौन कौन से टाइप्स के होते हैं, एंड विच आर द फैक्टर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द प्रोडक्शन वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन. अब रिसोर्सेज को अलोकेट कैसे किया जाता है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कैसे किया जा सकता है, अलॉटिंग कैसे किया जा सकता है, दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर सेम. अब उसके लिए 2 मेथड यूज़ होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज़ मार्केट सिस्टम एंड सेकेंड वन इज़ सोशल सिस्टम. पहले मार्केट सिस्टम को देखेंगे, फिर सोशल सिस्टम को देखेंगे. So what is market system? Nations like America, Japan, etc. have made their economic development through market system. अब जो अमेरिका और जापान है उन्होंने मार्केट सिस्टम का यूज़ किया एंड उनका जो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट हुआ, द क्रेडिट गोज टू द मार्केट सिस्टम. अब ये मार्केट सिस्टम होता क्या है? तो मार्केट सिस्टम का दूसरा नाम जो है वो कैपिटलिस्ट सिस्टम है. या तो फिर मार्केट सिस्टम का हो या तो फिर कैपिटलिस्ट सिस्टम का हो, दोनों एक ही बात है. इन दिस मेथड व्हाट हैपन्स इज द मेन थिंग स्टार्ट्स हियर. द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिसोर्सेज अलोकेशन इज डन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्रॉफिट स्कोप. अब जो चीज़ में हमको ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट मिलेगा उसको पहली प्रायोरिटी बना दो. जो प्रॉफिट में मेरे को सबसे कम चीज़ मिलेगी, सबसे कम इकोनॉमिक एडवांटेज मिलेगा, दैट थिंग विल बी प्रायोरिटाइज्ड एट द लास्ट. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द मार्केट सिस्टम वर्क्स. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, इन दिस मेथड व्हाट हैपन्स, द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिसोर्स अलोकेशन इज डन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्रॉफिट स्कोप. प्रॉफिट को देख के उसके हिसाब से जितना ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट मिलेगा उतने में ही सबको इंटरेस्ट रहेगा. दिस इज़ ऑब्वियस थिंग. अब जिसका ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट उसको सबसे पहली प्रायोरिटी दी जाती थी. एंड दिस इज़ यूज्ड इन अमेरिका एंड जापान विच आर डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज. And in this system, in production and its related activities, profit is at the center. प्रॉफिट को सबसे सेंटर में रखते हैं. प्रॉफिट भाई सबसे पहला रहना चाहिए, बीच में प्रॉफिट रखते हैं, आजू बाजू की चीज़ उसके आजू बाजू घूमती है. People invest in those industries where they find more scope of profit. Market is completely free in this system. So it is very free market and people are obviously, it is human nature that लोगों को कौन सी चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट रहेगा जहाँ पे उसका प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा. ऐसा तो कोई नहीं होगा हु इज़ मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन लॉस रादर दैन हु इज़ इंटरेस्टेड इन प्रॉफिट, राइट? सो व्हाट हैपन्स, people mostly invest in those things only from where they can get more amount of profit. Government does not have any specific economic policy or does not play any role in the method. So nowhere government is included over here. And जो पॉलिसीज़ होती है गवर्नमेंट की, इकोनॉमी पॉलिसी, ये मार्केट सिस्टम में इन्वॉल्व नहीं होती, कैपिटलिस्ट सिस्टम में इन्वॉल्व नहीं होती गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसीज़. एंड दे रियली डोंट प्ले एनी काइंड ऑफ रोल इन दिस टाइप ऑफ मैथड. सो दिस इज़ द होल सिनेरियो. Competition plays a vital role in the market. In the competitive market, the owner has to increase working capacity of the greatest extent in order to obtain maximum profit. This is an obvious thing that सबको प्रॉफिट में इंटरेस्ट है, सभी को है, ऐसा कोई है नहीं जिसको लॉस में इंटरेस्ट है. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, अ ह्यूज कंपटीशन विल बी क्रिएटेड ओवर हियर. अब कंपटीशन है तो उसके ओनर को क्या करना पड़ेगा, जो लोग उसके अंडर में वर्क करते रहे, that type of people, the people who are the workers over there, they really need to work very hard in order to fulfill the demand of the head. Then what happens is, because of this method, new researches are done and new methods of production are created. अब प्रोडक्शन और रिसर्च ये तभी होता है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा when there is competition. If there is no competition, then what will happen? धीरे धीरे करेंगे, शांति से करेंगे, एंड दिस हैपन्स ऑलवेज, राइट? बट देयर इज़ अ वेरी गुड कॉम्पिटिशन, वेरी टफ कॉम्पिटिशन, अ कंपनी गिविंग टू द अनदर कंपनी. सो व्हाट हैपन्स, अगर ये कोई मेरे से आगे ना निकल जाए, ये मेरे से पीछे रहना चाहिए, दिस थिंग इज़ देयर. सो what people are mostly engaged in inventing something new and developing their own techniques. वी सी अमेरिका हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ न्यू इन्वेंट करता रहता है, कभी मून पे जाता है तो कभी कोई दूसरे प्लैनेट पे जाता है, उसकी सिस्टम भी अलग अलग टाइप से आती रहती है, अलग अलग आईटी में भी दे डू मैनी थिंग्स. सो व्हाट हैपन्स, वहाँ पे एक बहुत अच्छा कंपटीशन है. सो दिस थिंग इज डन ओवर देयर. In this competition controls the whole market like an invisible hand. This is very obvious that whole market is being controlled by whom? By the competition. कि कोई मेरे से आगे न निकल जाए, इसका competition है उस लोगों में, उन लोगों में. So what happens? They are really controlled by the competition. This competition works as the invisible hand. उनको कोई push नहीं करता, वो खाली देखते आजू बाजू. And if they see that this company is earning more than mine, then what they will do, they will start working day and night for their betterment. As the state does not interfere, this system is known as free economy. अब जो state है, government है, they really don't interfere in this type of system. So this market system is also known as free economy and is also known as capitalist system. तो market system के तीन नाम है. First is market system itself, second one is free economy, and the third is known as capitalist system. So this were the features of market, this was the meaning of market system. Let's move towards the features of the market system. The first point is ownership of resources of production is either individual or private. Ownership जो है resource या तो फिर production की, या तो फिर वो एक individual की रहेगी, एक खुद person की रहेगी, या तो फिर that will be private. So government is nowhere included in this whole scenario. The second point is profit is at the center of economic activities in market system. As we have already discussed कि profit के बगैर no one is interested in doing any kind of business. So what happens, profit is at the center. They really work, but they see the profit first. In which kind of work they get more profit, they will work for that thing only. The third point is consumer get good opportunity of choice. If there is a tough competition, new and new technologies will be invented, and there is a tough competition. So what happens? People get very good choice. People get multiple choice, and the best alternative they choose from it. The fourth point is government interference is not there in the system. As I said before, government interfere नहीं करती. It is a free economy. Fifth is distribution of resources is based on profit. Now distribution of resources, जिसके प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा उसके पास रिसोर्सेज ज़्यादा. दिस इज़ हाउ द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ resources take place in free market system or in the market mechanism. Sixth point is economic decisions are taken while keeping price mechanism in mind. अब economic decision वो लोग किस टाइप से लेते हैं? By keeping the price in mind and by also seeing that how much profit they will really earn from the particular production. Then let's talk about the benefits. It has many benefits. At the same time, it also has most of the limitation. Let's talk about the benefits first. First benefit is economic freedom of individual is protected in market system. अब जिसके पास जितनी स्किल है, जिसके पास जितना पैसा है एंड जिसके पास जितना लेबर है, खुद से खुद काम करते हैं. सो देर इज़, वी कैन से, कोई इन्फीरियर नहीं है, कोई सुपीरियर नहीं है, इन दैट सेंस कि आपके पास क्या है आप वो यूज़ करो, कोई आपको रोकने वाला यहाँ पे नहीं है. सो इन दैट सेंस इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग. देन सेकेंड पॉइंट इज रिसोर्सेज ऑफ प्रोडक्शन आर यूटिलाइज टू द ग्रेटेस्ट एक्सटेंट एंड फैसिलिटी. सो रिसोर्सेज, दे कीप ऑन यूजिंग द रिसोर्सेज, दे कीप ऑन इन्वेंटिंग द न्यू थिंग्स बिकॉज ऑफ द टफ कॉम्पिटिशन एग्जिस्ट. द थर्ड पॉइंट इज अबंडेंट प्रोडक्शन मे बी डन. अबंडेंट प्रोडक्शन वो लोग करते हैं बिकॉज उनको एक डर रहता है कि कोई कंपनी आगे ना निकल जाए हमारे से. सो दे प्रोड्यूस द थिंग्स इन अ ह्यूज अमाउंट. फोर्थ पॉइंट इज न्यू एक्सप्लोरेशंस कीप ऑन टेकिंग प्लेस कंटिन्यूअसली इन इकोनॉमी. एज अ रिजल्ट इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट बिकम्स फास्टर. दिस पॉइंट इज already we have discussed many times. They continuously are engaged in making new things and doing new inventions and how to reduce the cost and send the things in cheapest way as China does. So what happens? Product best ho, cost less ho. Which cost, the cost price, the producing price less हो और वो बेच सके at a big profit, and the thing, the quality is also good and the quantity is also good. This is their main motto. Then fifth point is quality of things improve because of competition. This is obvious thing कि अगर आप क्वांटिटी बनाते जाओ एंड डिस्काउंट्स देते जाओ, देन व्हाट विल हैपन इफ़ यू डोंट हैव दैट गुड क्वालिटी, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, पीपल विल बाय the alternative. They won't trust on you and they will obviously go for the alternative. So this happens in market mechanism. Now there are many limitations also. Let's focus on the limitations. Because of keeping profit in center of production, commodities are produced in more quantity and production of luxurious commodities of basic requirement is neglected or reduced. This is obvious thing that any luxurious commodity like diamond हो गया, big houses, the cars, the branded cars, the big brand cars especially, तो उसमें क्या होगा कि this all are the luxurious things. So what happens, luxurious things जो afford कर सकते हैं, that people are less as compared to the people who can go for their basic requirements. So मार्केट सिस्टम किस चीज़ पे उसका सेंटर किस चीज़ पे रहता है, टू अर्न मोर प्रॉफिट. व्हाट दे कैन डू इफ़ दे जस्ट सेल द क्लॉथ्स, इफ़ दे जस्ट सेल वॉच and if they sells the books, then what will happen, the person who is producing more branded cars, more good articles, then more fine and finished goods which attracts the luxurious people which are very luxurious, then what will happen, the small people will be neglected over here and the basic requirement will not be fulfilled. So this is a very big disadvantage of this kind of system. Because of lack of policy related to role of state, natural resources are wasted. They are in a competition, so what they will do, they will just think of their own profit के हमें ये कंपनी से आगे निकलना है and we really need to earn more amount of money. So what happens, they will, by knowingly or by unknowingly, they are going to waste many of the things, many of the natural resources. So this is the second big disadvantage. Third is due to lack of knowledge and ignorance about the market, consumers are exploited. They don't know, the consumers don't know, they don't have that much of knowledge regarding the products, because every day the new things are coming in the market. So it is not possible for the human, it is not possible for the consumer to know everything about each and every type of product. So what happens, the consumers may get exploited, they may get cheated by the seller. The fourth point is due to centralization of property and income, there is increase in disparity of income. Due to centralization of property and डिस्पैरिटी ऑफ इनकम, अगेन जो भेदभाव हो जाता है इनकम में कि कोई रिच का रिच रह जाता है, कोई पुअर का पुअर रह जाता है, एंड द इनकम विच इज़ रियली नॉट distributed equally, this type of income is known as, this type of thing, whole scenario is known as disparity of income. So this really happens. Then fifth point is there is a fear of monopoly, economic instability and exploitation of labor etc. So monopoly मतलब क्या, एक ही सेलर है लेकिन देर आर नंबर ऑफ बायर्स, सो इसके चांसेस बहुत बढ़ जाते हैं. सेकेंड इज़ इकोनॉमिक इंस्टेबिलिटी. इकोनॉमिक इंस्टेबिलिटी तो रहेगी इस टाइप ऑफ सिस्टम में, बिकॉज इफ़ योर डेज आर गुड देन यू कैन फ्लाई इन द ओपन स्काई, एंड इफ़ योर डेज आर बैड, if your days are bad, then what will happen कि कोई profit भी ना हो and it really goes unstable. For the country also it can go unstable. Third thing is exploitation of labor. Now they want to produce more and more things. They are constantly engaged in making more and more numbers of items, making more and more new inventions. Then what will happen to the laborers, the mental as well as the physical laborers, they will get exploited, they will get frustrated. So this is a natural thing that happens in, and this is a limitation of market system. So this was all about the market system. Let's go to the social system. What is social system? Socialist system originated because of limitation and failures of market system. Countries like Russia and China have achieved fast economic progress by adapting this system. अब जो market system था, it was adopted by USA and Japan, whereas social system stands for China and Russia. They have social system. Now what is social system? Social system is quite opposite to the market system. So it is very opposite to market system. In socialist economy, all economic decisions are taken by state machinery. In socialist system, what happens? जो state machinery है, that will take all the important decisions. State owns all the resources of production. जो production के resources है, that will be with state. In this system, whole country is managed by the state. So it comes under the government. Social system falls under the control of government, whereas market system was very free like the people of America, and it was adopted in America. So you can remember like this, in this way also. And social system थोड़ा सा strict है as compared to the market system, because here government is involved, whereas in market system government was not involved at all. So there will be many kind of restrictions also, many kind of rules and regulations also in social system, which the person really has to follow. All the decisions pertaining to production, investment, resource distribution, production distribution are taken after keeping the requirement of society in mind. So they keep the society in mind in social system, whereas in market system, what was the scenario? Only the profit was kept in the mind, and what happened? लोगों को लेना है तो ले, वरना ना ले, but we will just see our profit from which we get the most. And in social system, what is done in social system is कि लोगों को, सोसाइटी को देखने के बाद they make a plan after seeing the society. So this is how the social system works, because society के बगैर no one is going to purchase your things. So it is a very good thing to look at the society before producing the things and before investing your money in the field. In the socialist system, rather than profit, social welfare is at the center. As the name suggests, social, so social welfare is kept at the center in this type of system. Production of resources and their prices are decided by the state. Now, how the resources will be produced and what will be the cost, it is not the matter of state, but what will be the price are the matter of state. The responsibility to achieve the target of production decided by the state governed factories. Now, how your target will be, what you really need to finish the target is decided by the state government only. Farming is also owned like the state. Farming activity is also owned by the state only in this social system. And what happens? Labor are paid according to the ability, and according work is taken from them. So labor get their wages, labor get their money, they are paid only on the basis of how much they really work, how much hours they really spend. So this is all about the social system. Let's move to the features of socialist system. So what are the features of socialist system? Resources are owned by the state. Resources जो होते हैं, there are 4 type of resources we have already discussed. So these resources are owned by the state, whereas in market system the owner was the individual itself or the company itself. The second point is all the economic decisions are taken by the state. Decision in social system are taken by the state, whereas in market system decision was taken by the individual or the company who owns it. The third point is rather than profit, social welfare is at the center of activities. In social system, social welfare is kept at the center, and then उसके आजू बाजू की activity depends on the social welfare. If something is positive for the people, something is positive for the society, they will surely encourage, and if something is bad for the society, they won't encourage. This happens in the social system. Laborers are paid wages in return of work. So how much work they do, it depends on the laborers, and according to their work they are paid. There are some benefits of socialist system. They are because of production according to the requirement of the society, unimportant and luxurious items are not produced. Now we all know how society of a country is. No country has all the poor, no country has all the rich people. So the things produced in the market should be moderate. It should not be very luxurious so that people feel So the poor people feel them inferior, and the luxurious and the people who are rich, who can afford the luxurious thing, they feel themselves as the superior. So to avoid this thing, social system works at a best level. They see the society first, and then they see their profit later on. Then unimportant and luxurious items are not produced in social system. जो unimportant items है, they basically focuses on the items which are benefited, which are for all type of people, not only for the people who are rich and not only for the people who are poor. The second point is, as the decisions related to production are taken by the state, so no wastage of resources is done. All things are there in the hand of state. If someone is doing an experiment of or someone is doing preparing something, an invention is taking place, then what will happen? The waste, the natural waste or the waste of money will not be done in social system, whereas market system don't have any kind of control on their people. They don't have any person to whom they are really answerable. So what happens? They will use the money, they will use the resources in the way they like, whereas in the social system they have the person so they are answerable to that person. So what will happen? They will use the things, but in a limited way, and they won't waste down the things, they won't waste down the money and all the resources they get. Disparity of income and property is removed. So what happens? The disparity of income मतलब जो भेदभाव है इनकम का, this will be removed, and property also this will be removed. Then consumers are not exploited. Same way, market mechanism, market system had this system that the consumers were exploited, whereas social system में consumers are not cheated by the seller. There are some limitations also of the socialist system. They are, as a resource of production are owned by the state, people don't get encouragement and motivation to increase production. Now what will happen if the state will not provide that much resources, then what will happen? That उनको जो encouragement मिलता है, जो free field होती है, वो उनको नहीं मिलती, and they get some kind of restriction directly or indirectly by the state, because they are working under the state. The second point is, due to lack of competition, contest and research do not get momentum in the economy. So due to lack of competition, whereas we saw in the market system it had a lot of competition. In social system, as it is under the state, they don't have that much competition. So what happens? Inventions and those all things will be at a very low level, because they don't stand in the competitive market. The third is, there is lack of individual freedom in this system. So everything is in the hand of state only, so they don't have that freedom like they had in the market system. They are under the control of state. The fourth is, because of complete interference of state, there is fear of bureaucracy. Because of complete interference of state, what happens? State interference is seen in socialist system, and due to it, there is a fear of bureaucracy. So here we end this video. If you found the video informative, hit a like button, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can write down in the comment section. If you have any kind of suggestion, you can note down in the comment section. We will surely reply you. And the thing which is left behind is mixed economy. This will be covered in the part 5th. So don't forget to hit a like button if you found us informative. Please do subscribe us for the more updates. Thank you.